Hi guys, good morning. I've got an extra book for this week, The Ideal Team Player, written by Patrick Lencioni. As always, starting with the story. This time, Jeff is appointed as a CEO of a family business from his uncle, and in the sector, the construction, that he definitely doesn't know. The main challenge? Restoring the culture of teamwork in the company. Not so easy. We have to double the number of employees, and it's a big hiring process, and we want to be sure that they recruit the best team players. So they define a rule. Each of them should fit with three virtues: humble, hungry, and smart. It's very interesting because I think we all face recruiting processes, and it's not always easy to recruit and to get people fitting with the culture of the company. And the teamwork is obviously in most of the companies very important. Very good book, very short, 5 hours and a half. So a few workouts to do. Just read it and tell me what you think. I highly recommend that book. Have a good week.